A2 Hosting Review. A2 Hosting has been around since 2001 and they're most known for their page loading speeds. In fact, they have delivered one of the fastest server speeds we've seen over the past 12 months. Also, A2 Hosting has a strong uptime, which makes its hosting service reliable. The hosting plans are developer-friendly, and their anytime, money-back guarantee is a unique feature. A significant downside is the renewal rate, which jumps up aggressively after your initial period. However, if you need a fast web hosting service at relatively cheap upfront pricing with the ability to scale with your website growth, then A2 Hosting might be an excellent option for you. Here's an in-depth look at A2 Hosting's pros and cons after signing up, paying for their hosting service, and putting it to the test. General info. Hosting overview. Pros of using A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is one of the best under-the-radar hosting companies you might not know about, but should. Why? Their speed is excellent, uptime is reliable, customer service is friendly, security features are plentiful, and refund policy is liberal. On top of it all, they're even environmentally conscious. Let's take a detailed look at A2 Hosting's many perks. 1. Super fast page loading speed. You see a recurring theme when you go to a2hosting.com, speed. And A2 Hosting is, in fact, fast. In the past 12 months, they have delivered an amazing average speed of 288 ms. A2 Hosting last 12-month average speed. See stats, and what's even better, A2 Hosting has been showing improved results throughout many years, thus making them one of the fastest hosts we've tested. 2. Reliable uptime of 99.98%. On top of being lightning fast, A2 Hosting is also reliable. They had some trouble a few years ago when their uptime struggled to reach the industry standard of 99.93%. However, they've turned the problems around over the past year and achieved an average of 99.98% uptime. The total downtime of their servers was less than 2 hours. A2 Hosting last 12-month average uptime. See stats. Last 12-month average uptime of A2 Hosting. December 2021, 100%. November 2021, 99.96%. October 2021, 100%. September 2021, 100%. August 2021, 100%. July 2021, 100%. June 2021, 99.99%. May 2021, 99.